This is the script I want you to use the next time somebody tries to blow you off. You've got a qualified prospect, you reach out, you call them, and they say, I'm not your person. You need to talk to blank. You need to talk to purchasing, HR, you need to talk to the CFO. It happens to us all the time in sales. We need to start a conversation with this person, and they try and push us off to somebody else. Typically, we make one of two mistakes. A, we either go off on that wild goose chase trying to track down somebody in purchasing, or worse, we say, oh, okay, and we take that prospect off of our list. That's not skillful. Here's what I want you to do the next time somebody says, you need to talk to blank, you need to talk to purchasing, HR, finance, or CFO, whatever it is. I want you to remain calm, and I want you to say this. Makes perfect sense. I'll be here when you need blank, and I want the blank to be the outcome. So if you sell sales training like we do, the outcome is not sales training. The outcome is sales and top line revenue. No problem. I'll be here when you need sales and top line revenue. When you leave it with no problem, I will be here when you need the outcome, you're going to leave it in that person's head that you can help them get what they want. And it leaves the door wide open for you to circle back with them in a month, 2 months, 3 months, or maybe even 6 months down the road. Keep that door open. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.